Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix slow generation times on OpenArt. So the slow generation times actually on this platform are usually caused by server load, model choice or device and network issues. So actually guys, first you will need to switch to a faster model. So let's say that you want to generate a video using the OpenArt, okay, platform. So here some models are much slower than the others, okay? So you will need to choose the fast turbo or SD 1.5 instead of high-end models like SDXL or video models. And also guys, you will need to avoid the ultra quality or HD enhancements modes unless needed, okay? So on the output option right here, just go ahead and go with 720p, alright? And try to set up 5 to 10 seconds as the duration of that video at the beginning. So actually guys, at the second you will need to check your internet connection. So actually if you are using the OpenArt app on your phone, so you can just simply switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Even if you are using a laptop, you can switch between the Wi-Fi's or move closer to your router, okay? And also guys, they really want you to turn off the VPN if you are using one, so VPNs often slow the AI rendering a lot. And guys, don't forget to clear the cache of the browser. So as the last option or the last fix, you will need to go and click on the Opera icon or a logo that's located at the top left corner, and even you can go with the three dots that you can find with the Google Chrome or Safari, even the Mozilla Firefox, etc. Okay, so once you click on them, you will need just to scroll down and click on the settings. So navigate to it or to that option with your cursor. And now guys, you will need to go with privacy and security option that you can find on all browsers, and then just go with delete browsing data, the option or the first one that you can find on the privacy and security section right here, and go and select last 24 hours and go with delete data. And now go back to the OpenAI platform and sign in with your account, and then try to create a video or to generate an image, etc. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.